Woo, woo, woo. You really get way too early on that, son. Oh, yeah. Come on. Let me do this while you finish waking up. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There we go. There we go, boy. You alright? There we go. You okay, boy? Take your time. We'll let you finish waking up. Ooh. Okay, now you know where we're at. It's great time. Even though they're small, pathetically tiny, they're basically wet raisins. Hey everybody, it's us. I wasn't sure about getting them up right now, because you may hear in the background the occasional rumble of thunder. Excuse me, and a belch. Sorry about that. Hey boy, you want to say hi to everybody? Okay, yeah, I'll pick up the pace. I'll pick up the pace. There you go. I don't know why the camera was automatically zoomed in. Huh. There you go. Come on, boy. Come on, stand up straight. Don't slouch. Okay, that was a lightning strike. Okay. Ooh, look at that yawn. Okay, hold on. We got it. And Francis, when next time I can, I'm gonna get a good angle on that yawn, so you can see why I said it's a good bit more than 90 degrees. Whoop, 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 there we go. Smack, 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 smack. That's the money shot. Okay. Cool thing is, we got a new co-worker who just so happens to be crazy about possums. Hey, there you go. And I don't know how, because the desktop wallpaper of my workstation is actually one of the thumbnails from one of his videos. And I don't know why, but when I met this person, I just instantly thought they love possums. And lo and behold, I was right. So that's cool. Such a shout out to you, Hope. Oh, you see right there, Francis. That's 120 degrees, if ever. That's like it's almost a full half of a friggin' circle. Hey, boy. Yeah, you so sleepy. Oh, I never finished what I was saying, but y'all are used to that. I wasn't sure about getting them up because it had started raining already. And, here you go, boy. I know, they're small. I couldn't do anything about that. I went searching far and wide to get you the best grapes I could. And these were the big ones. There we go. I know the rain doesn't bother him. Oops, sorry, boy. Whoa. Watch out. Let's get you back into place. Here you go, boy. Sure you don't want another one? He's ready to go. But what I was saying was, I didn't know it was going to be a thunderstorm much, but I was worried. He doesn't do well with thunderstorms. Here you go. Okay. Nope, he's done. Well, careful. Where you going, LilBit? That's kind of the wrong direction. Take your time, boy. You're not awoke enough. Oops. I still gotta mop this again, thanks to you. Yeah, I had to go ahead and order a couple of more food dishes like the ones Carolyn had got for us, because anytime he's in here, LilBit likes to partake of Salem's food. Unfortunately, no, leave the litter box alone, boy. The problem is, as you can see by the towels there, whenever he tries to drink the water, he always flips the dish. So I had to get a couple more for Salem. Well, it's unusual for you to want to explore it this time of day, boy. I mean, I'm not complaining, it's just unusual. Oh, let's see where we're going. Take your time, boy. Okay, Salem, be nice. Okay, and now we have a problem. Okay. Not quite. The door in here is already closed, but the one in the hall is not, so I gotta go take care of that. And from all of us, we'll catch you in the next one. Come on. There we go. See, I cheated. I figured out how to hold on to you. Hey, boy. Oh, another yawn. I missed a good yawn. Come on. Oh. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Too far. Too far. There we go. Yeah, right, boy? You can give us another yawn? Oh, no, you're already perched and ready for the grapes. Hold on, let me get some adjustments made here. There we go. I think we got it. Hold on. Hey, everybody. Oops. I'm sorry, boy. I didn't mean to do that. I couldn't see where your teeth were. I'll go after that one. That was one of the few big ones we got. Oh, I'm so disgusted by these grapes. I had said before, you know, I'd seen bigger raisins. I wasn't joking. I had literally seen raisins this size. If you were to try to make raisins out of these grapes, you'd be able to snort them when you're done. Hey, boy. Yeah, it's a sleepy Tuesday. It's raining again this afternoon. Thankfully, it stopped before my ride home. Hey, boy. You want to say hey to everybody? You're still mad at me for waking you up, huh? That's okay. You'll get over it. Oh, here we go. Let's try that again. I didn't mean to drop the last one. It's so small I can't tell if you're going to grab my finger or not. There we go. Smack, 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 smack. Sleepy smacks. I know, boy. Good news is I'm back to my schedule, so I'm off tomorrow and Thursday. Ooh. Having trouble getting a grip on that one, huh, boy? Oh, come on. He looks so sad. There we go. Just say hi to everybody, boy. We'll catch the money shot on the next one. There you go. Oop. See, it's so small, he's having trouble getting a bite on him. Okay, we're going to try that a little different on the next one. Okay, sweetheart? I love my little baby boy. Both of them. Okay. Now I want you to try grab it with your teeth. Use your teeth. You have incisors. Use them. You can like puncture it. And go smack, 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 smack. There's the money shot. And again, sleepy smacks today. He's really not getting his money's worth here because half of what he's spitting out is half the grape is skin. That's okay. Sooner or later, we're gonna find some big uns. Let's see how your sore is doing today. Wow. Dude, that's not even a scab anymore. That's cool. And even that's growing fur back, much to my surprise, because I never thought it would. There you go. Told you, use those incisors. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I don't really have any stories for today. I mean, I probably do, but I'm tired. Today was a pretty good day at work, but some unexpected stuffs. Oops. You did catch my fingers that time. He was trying so hard not to. Many people really just don't give animals enough credit. I mean, just because they can't like sit down and calculate an Einstein-Rosen bridge doesn't mean they're not intelligent. Oh, you dropped it down here, boy. It was right underneath you. Wanna try again? There you go. I'm sorry this is so rough, boy. These really were the biggest grapes I could find, and that's tragic. How beautiful his fur is. When he fluffs up, he looks like he's white. But I guess technically when he fluffs up, he is... Hey, you try it again? There you go. Nice and gentle, boy. One of the many, many reasons I love you. Look at that curled up ear. See, possums are known for their prehensile tails, but what's amazing is their prehensile ears. They can roll those things tighter than a fruit roll-up. Hold on, boy, I need to get all this stuff out the way. Or it could fall on the floor. That works too. We got a couple more left for you, boy. I'm glad you're being patient with these tiny little grapes. Oh, big ol' yawn. Hey, you want another one? I know, here, how about I just set it down for you? And you do not care. No F's given. Okay. Take your time, boy. Take your time. Be careful, because Salem's right there. I don't want y'all freaking each other out again. Oh, okay, or you could just go that way. That's fair enough. So you know what I'm gonna do, boy? I'm gonna go close up the rest of the house. So you can just come out whenever you're ready. Oh, take your time. Your legs aren't awake yet, boy. Hold on, let's make sure you can burrow back here. Yeah. You'll be alright. Alright, guys. As always, thank you for watching. We love having you around. Oops. Like when I dropped the phone twice, 3, 4 times. Do I even have it right side up? Yes, I do. Sorry about that. Not editing it out either. That one's gonna stay. Okay, LilBit. Yeah, you go back to your nap. I just have to make sure you get your fruits. And we'll catch y'all in the next one.